Oh.
What's that?
Jimmy Dale Racing.
I told y'all, boys, if Jimmy Dale says he's gonna send it, he's gonna send it. There's no reason to ask him every 90 days. It's hot, ain't it, Piston? We gotta go get that Elko and bring it up here. Get that out of here, You going down there with me? How many of y'all watch Old Man's Garage? Well, if you don't, you need to. Go check him out, the Old Man's Garage. But he's got a car super similar to this one right here. Calls the Cracker Barrel. It's like the Cracker Barrel on crack. We're gonna check it out today. So I know nothing about this El Camino other than it has a flat tire. We're about to find out though. I'm gonna air this tire up and we're gonna get it put up there in the shade. And come on, baby. See what it's about. We'll take the lid off of it, see what kind of motor it's got, check it out. My following. God, this brings me back. We built the Moonshiner right here on these rocks.
I know, I was just thinking about that a while ago. In this heat.
Yeah, it was hot.
No air blowing through there.
No, nothing.
About as hot as it is right now.
Nice.
We're spoiled up there on the hill.
Hey, you know what the owner of this car does for a living?
What?
Tires. I didn't know I was gonna have so much help when it come time to working on this car, but ooh, boy, that's a lot of them. Take their ass out, Mom. In Texas, you got mosquitoes and you got yellow jackets. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
I'm liking the half car, half truck.
Elko, baby. That's what we should have done, huh?
That's pretty cool.
But then, if we'd have done that and I'd have done my exhaust pipes, I would have been kamikaze Chris.
Oh.
Can't do that. Okay. Yeah.
You think it'll start?
I don't know. I have no idea. It better start.
You don't miss the white rock?
fuses and shit. I don't know what nothing is. It does have power though.
Oh.
Fuel pump. Give it a couple pumps. Wait a minute. Dog sound pretty good, didn't it? So I moved the gear shift in old Cracko and whoa, there it went. Okay. Let's take it to the shop. Sounds pretty good. It's definitely got something going on with the shifter though, because I can put it in park. Yeah, I'm still going backwards. Huh? Yeah. Something ain't right about that. We'll work on that first. But this baby's got at least a, oh, I would say 3,000 stall in it. Sound like I'm excited. I want to get the hood off of it. What old J-Bo bring me? Got that low blow, low blow. Oh, J-Bo done brought us a hot rod. It's hotter than a mutter grunion out here at Moonshiner Garage. But I'm dying to see what's underneath the hood of this Elko. Watch out, Piston. Move, dog. Yep, I'll knock him. Yep. So, what do we have here? We got this hanging on by a thread. That's, oh, nice. That looks a lot like your carburetor, babe. Got the electric choke on it though, right here. And he's got a little distributor in it. Got him some headers on it. Electric water pump. Are those heads, guys? I don't know. What are those? Are those the famous? Maybe this is the double hump 3/4 cam bad mother grunion. Yep. Mama, you remember my Camaro? This was the valve covers that I started with. My first race car. That's what I got right there. I think everybody starts with those. Got the power steering pump on there. Got the alternator on there. It looks a lot like the Mustang did when we got it from him.
Yes.
Don't it?
Yes.
A lot like it. It just needs to be tidied up. Looks like he's already got some relays though. We didn't even have that. Okay, well that's why she sounded so good. What is that, a little Ellerbrock intake or something? Maybe it's a Chinese, I don't know. It's working though, sounded good. So the reason we got this thing in here, one thing is he said this header's leaking real bad in the back. I didn't really hear it, but it probably does it when it gets warm. And just a bunch of little stuff like that. Go get skinny.
What was the only thing your Uncle Bobby ever taught you?
He taught me that no matter where the bolt and shit is, if you can't get your wrench on it, then your ass is not in the right place. You literally just move your ass around, go at it again until you find out where your ass needs to be. Then it works. That's it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to. You never know when you're gonna need one of your wrenches. Size your wrench. It's a tight little sucker, ain't it? Did you get it?
No.
You didn't get it off?
No, you can wiggle it, but it don't come off.
Oh. Baby says hawk on it. It was a hawk, baby. Hawk. It's like a hawk is like a bald eagle with a mullet.
How's it going under there?
Oh, it's going great. This car's in really good shape, man. Hey, would you give me a ball peen hammer?
Sure.
Yeah, it's in real good shape. I just saw one little thing. Oh yeah, that drive shaft did it. We need to call City Drive Shaft Performance. Come tell J-Bo he gonna need a drive shaft. There's a big dent in this one. I don't know what happened. I can't get drive and reverse or like. And then everything else has plenty of room, but you know what I mean? I had to get that tire warmed up so it's sealed around the rim, you know what I mean? Dang, J-Bo! You know why I'm spinning so much? Because it's up on that wheel stop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, maybe that's what did it.
What the? What the? What the?
Okay guys, thanks for watching Moonshiner Garage. I think we're going to wrap this one up and roll it on out of here. We got the header bolt in, but the header gasket's still leaking, so we're going to have to get a gasket for it. Realized a little bit of spitting through the carburetor was going to set the timing for old boy, but there's no pointer on the block, so we're going to have to pick up one of those. We did manage to get the shifter straightened out, so at least we know that it's in park now, when it is in park. And other than that, I'm looking forward to working on this thing, so we'll just have to roll it out of here, get some parts, and bring it back. And until then, y'all don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget we're giving the bottle away. We're giving away this Nitrous Express 10-pound bottle with a 500 lightning valve on it. All you need to do to win this bottle is go to moonshinergarage.com and buy one of these bracelets. It's right here. Buy 2, buy 3. Nobody watches this channel. If you buy 5 of these, you're almost guaranteed to win this bottle. I guarantee you. Ain't nobody watching. It's only you and me and this bottle right here. If you want to win it, get the bracelet. Don't forget to hit the red button below. Subscribe to the channel. Moonshiner Garage. Pick up one of these bracelets. That enters you in to win. And like I said before, nobody's watching. Nobody's buying the bracelets. So buy a couple of them. You most likely win the bottle. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe.